Blessings, ladies. Welcome back to West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, today let's discover the secret of achieving a flawless hairline with illusion crochet braids. Yes, ladies, in this video, I'll show you how to create a natural looking hairline that will leave everyone wondering if it's really your hair. Yes, look at this stylist and how she's creating this illusion hairline. No one is ever gonna know that this is not her natural hairline in the front. Yes, ladies, get ready to elevate your protective styling game and slay the hair game with this easy to follow tutorial. Look how beautiful this style came out. Look how gorgeous it looked in the front. Again, it mimics your natural hairline. This video is great for anyone looking to learn the secret to illusion crochet braids. Let's jump into this video. She is showing you from the back how she created this natural neck hairline. Yes, you want your hair to look as natural in the front as well as in the back. So when you pull it up to that ponytail, it looks like a natural ponytail. So here you can see she is teasing. Yes, this method is called teasing. She is teasing the back so that it mimics the natural hairline and the natural scalp. Yes, lady, achieving a natural looking hairline with crochet braids can be a game changer for anyone struggling with the noticeable transition between the braid and your scalp. So yes, ladies, the quest for a seamless hairline is something many of us can achieve and can relate to. Traditional crochet braids sometimes leave us with a hairline that looks too obvious, not giving us that natural flow of our hair. Now look at this method. This method is absolutely amazing. Not only is she giving that illusion hairline, but you are going to have both sides of the braids covered. Look at that side covered. And when you want to flip it over to the other side, look how the other side of the braid is completely covered. Yes, ladies, this is what we want. Look how gorgeous this looks. One of the biggest challenges is getting that perfect blend right at the hairline. It's all about creating an invisible transition that tricks the eye into thinking it's your natural hair. Oh my gosh, did you see that ponytail? Look how seamless that hairline looked. This is another method that you can use by braiding what we call a beehive braid in the back, and the braids in the front are just going straight to the back. She is doing the knotless braid, and once you do that knotless braid all the way around the beehive, look how you're able to pull it up and it's a natural seamed ponytail. She's doing the knotless braid in the front as well, and look at this. She's doing a blow dry and just kind of blow drying it out, and look how gorgeous and natural this looks. This is just regular synthetic braiding hair with feather ends or with the stretch ends. This looks gorgeous, ladies. These styles are absolutely beautiful, and this is what we want. You want to start with the hairline that is going to mimic your own natural texture as close as possible. When selecting hair for your illusion crochet braids, you want to consider the color that you want, the texture, and the length that best match your own natural hair so that you can have the best possible natural look as possible. Look how natural this hairline looks. All you have to do is get that teasing down. Teasing the natural hairline is what's going to give you that natural look. So yes, the technique involves carefully sectioning the hair and then applying the crochet braids in a way that mimics your natural hair growth. Yes, it's crucial to use the right technique that will allow that natural look. So if you haven't tried this, ladies, give it a try. Try it and see how you like it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Remember to support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to tap that bell because you don't want to miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single day. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.